everyone, hope you are all well. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you a very delicious mouth-watering mutton recipe, mutton Rogan Josh. Basically it's a Kashmiri dish. You can prepare this either with mutton or with lamb also. So mutton Rogan Josh, Rogan means red and Josh means passion of heat. So basically this is the preparation of mutton, that the gravy will be totally red, and we have to prepare this dish in a low flame for a long time. Basically it's a slow cooking. So if you like to prepare this Rogan Josh in traditional way, you have to cook it for longer time in very low flame, but you can prepare it in pressure cooker also. So today I'll prepare it in pressure cooker and we will use some special masala for this also. So let's begin. Preparing the mutton Rogan Josh, we can use a little bigger size of mutton piece with bone mutton piece, and first we need to marinate this mutton with some salt and lemon juice. Here I use half lemon juice for marinating this mutton, and now we will mix lemon juice and salt nicely with this mutton and cover it and keep it in refrigerator for almost 2 to 3 hours. So after 3 hours of marination, now we will cook the mutton. Just add 3 to 4 spoon oil in this cooker. Today we'll cook the mutton in cooker, and we'll add 2 bay leaves with it and add half spoon of asafoetida or hing with this oil. This will give a nice flavor, and we'll add half finely chopped onion in the oil. We'll fry the oil let it become little golden brown, and next we will add the marinated mutton with it. And now we will fry this mutton a little longer until its both sides become dark brown, and we have to cook it little high flame, and we have to spread it like this in the cooker that both sides get heat properly. Now we will add the ginger garlic paste, 2 spoon ginger and garlic paste with this mutton. So mix nicely, and now we will add half cup of water with this. I always prefer to use some little warm water. So mix it, and we'll cover the cooker and give at least 3 to 4 whistles. While the mutton is boiling in the cooker, we just prepared the masala for our gravy. We'll take 2 to 3 spoon homemade curd, and we'll add 2 spoon ginger powder with it. If you don't have the ginger powder, you can use the ginger paste also, and 2 spoon fennel powder with it, and 2 spoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix everything with this curd nicely. If you need it, you can add some water with it also. And so this is our gravy. Masala for gravy is ready. And now in a frying pan we will add 3 to 4 spoon ghee or clarified butter, and add half spoon asafoetida with it, and we'll add one little cinnamon stick. Let it be little hot, and then we will add the boiled mutton with it. So this is our boiled mutton. So we'll add it. And we will add the gravy also. So now cover it and let it cook for a few minutes. It's almost cooked in pressure cooker already. So now we'll add the masala that we prepared. Mix the masala with the gravy. So now we have to mix the masala with the gravy nicely, and we don't need to add any more water. Just cover it and cook it in slow flame for at least 20 to 30 minutes. We need to add little salt here, or you can check. We already added some salt while marinating the mutton, but here I check some salt needed, so I add some, and just cover the pan and cook it in lower flame at least 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm checking it after a few minutes. This color becomes so nice. and mutton are already boiled in cooker, so just add the flavor with it. It smells so nice. Just cover it for a few more minutes, and now I think it's almost done and perfectly red in color and smells so nice for using those dry masala. So now I am serving it in a bowl. So here is our today's dish, mutton rogan josh is ready and served. So you can serve it with roti paratha or you can serve it with rice also. It's a very delicious dish. So friends, if you like this recipe, please try it at home and do like, comments in my video. You can share my video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So thank you.